The Suzuki DR650 is a popular enduro bike that was first introduced in the 1990s. It has an interesting history in the development of Suzuki off-road motorcycles. Early development. The Suzuki DR650 was first introduced in 1990 as a replacement for the DR600 model. It is designed to be a versatile bike that can be used both on and off-road. The engine is based on Suzuki's experience in producing reliable and tough enduro bikes. Design. The Suzuki DR650 has a simple and functional design, with a strong and durable steel frame. This design allows the motorbike to handle various types of terrain, both on asphalt and off-road. Engine. The bike is powered by a 644cc single-cylinder engine, which provides enough power to travel long distances and explore rough terrain. The engine is designed to provide strong torque at various speeds. Model upgrades. As time went by, Suzuki continued to make improvements to the DR650. This includes improvements to engine performance, suspension systems, and safety features. Each new iteration is designed to improve performance and comfort for riders in a variety of terrain conditions. Off-road capability. The Suzuki DR650 is designed to be a dual-sport motorbike capable of conquering various types of terrain, including rocky roads, sandy trails, and other rough terrain. Its strong suspension and durable tires make it a popular choice for riders who enjoy outdoor adventures. Comfort. Even though it is a tough off-road bike, the Suzuki DR650 also has several comfort features that make it comfortable to use on long-distance trips. The comfortable seat and upright riding position make it suitable for long-distance touring. Contemporary popularity. Despite competition from various other brands and models, the Suzuki DR650 remains a favorite choice for many riders looking for a reliable and versatile enduro bike. Even in the contemporary era, this model remains in demand among off-road enthusiasts.